नमस्कार यूट्यूब चैनल एन यूनिवर्स स्टडी में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे एचएसएससी पेपर मंडी सुपरवाइज़र जो 23 अगस्त 2015 को आयोजित हुआ था। उस पेपर में रेलिवेंट सब्जेक्ट जो रूल्स और एक्ट से संबंधित जो प्रश्न पूछे गए थे उनके बारे में। और यह हमारी इस सीरीज़ की चौथी वीडियो है और इस प्रश्न पत्र में 60 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे और इस वीडियो में हम 39 से 53 तक क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे। बाकी क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे और इन प्रश्नों की जो शब्दावली है वो इंग्लिश में रहने वाली है। तो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फ्रॉम द आउटर लिमिट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल मार्केट यार्ड नो पर्सन शैल बी competent टू सेटअप, परचेज और सेल एनी एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोड्यूस within a distance, and options are 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer and 5 kilometer, and the answer of this question is option D, 5 kilometer. Next question is procedure and form of contract farming agreement under Haryana Agricultural Produce Markets Acts 1961 is described under. Options are section 8A, section 8B, section 9A, section 9B, and the answer of this question is option A, section 8A. Next question is which of the following are not true with regard to procedure and form of contract farming agreement? And the options are contract farming agreement is executed between contract farming sponsor and contract farming producer. Next statement, contract farming sponsor registers himself with committee. Next option, title right and ownership of land gets transferred in contract farming sponsor. And next option is none of the above. And the answer of this question is option C. Title right and ownership of land gets transferred in contract farming sponsor. Next question is which of the following are used to increase bulk purchase for attracting produce from national and international level? And the options are trade allowance, terminal market, spot exchange, special commodity market. And the answer of this question is option B, terminal market. Next question is which of the following are used for the purchase of horticulture produces and other commercial specified crops from the state or from anywhere else in the country or outside the country? I repeat the statement. Which of the following are used for the purchase of horticulture produces and other commercial specified crops from the state or from anywhere else in the country or outside the country? And the options are terminal market, trade allowance, spot exchange, special market. And the answer of this question is option D, special market. Next question is in case of dispute with regard to transaction at spot exchange level, redressals thereof is done by. Options are chief administrator, director vigilance, deputy commissioner of district, district marketing enforcement officer. And the answer of this question is option D, district marketing enforcement officer. And the next question is for the first time breach of license condition in a notified area under the 1961 Act, such license is not be renewed for a maximum period of, options are 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. And the answer of this question is option A, 5 months. And the next question is question number 46. Under 1961 Act, license for purchase, sale, storage and processing of agricultural produce may be refused to a person who, options are A, binamidar, undischarged, insolvent, both of the above and none of the above. And the answer of this question is option C, both of the above. Next question is, Market Committee under 1961 Act may levy on ad valorem fee in the notified area on the sale or purchase of agricultural produce at the rate not exceeding, options are rupees 2 per 100, rupees 3 per 100, rupees 4 per 100 and rupees 5 per 100. And the answer of this question is option B, rupees 3 per 100. And the next question is, prior approval of state government is required for giving ad from Marketing Development Fund under 1961 Act to financially weak committee if the board decides to give ad of more than, I repeat the statement, prior approval of the state government is required for giving ad for Marketing Development Fund under 1961 Act to financially weak committee if the board decides to give ad of more than, options are 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. And answer of this question is option A, 5,000. Next question is, in case of contraventions of provision of the Haryana Agricultural Produce Markets Act 1961, no penalty can be imposed after expiry of period of, I repeat the statement, in case of contraventions of provision of the Haryana Agricultural Produce Markets Act 1961, no penalty can be imposed after expiry of the period. Options are 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year. And the answer of this question is option C, 5 year. Next question is, a person appointed by direct recruitment under Haryana State Agricultural Marketing Rules 1974 remains on probation for a period of, options are 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. And the answer of this question is option D, 2 years. He remains on probation for a 2-year period. Next question is, who decides that the person involved in the agricultural activities is agriculturist or not? Options are Commissioner of the Division, District Development and Panchayat Officer, Collector of the District and Chief Administrator. And the answer of this question is option C, Collector of the District. Next question is, in Haryana Agricultural Produce Markets Act 1961, principal market yards is described under, options are section 7, section 12, section 23, section 37. And the answer of this question is option A, section 7. And the next question is, provision for establishment and constitutions of market committee under 1961 act is incorporated under section. Options are 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14, 15 and 16. And the answer of this question is option B, 11 and 12. And remaining 7 questions we will discuss in our next video, will be published very soon. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and students, and also on social site Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe NUniverse Study. You may also join its Facebook group NUniverse Study. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.